Hey guys, my name is MJ Pavone and welcome back to the North Georgia Media YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be doing a try-on haul from a website called Shein. Shein is a website where you can get really cute clothes for a really affordable price, and today I just wanted to share what I got, my honest opinion, and just a little try-on so you guys can see and choose for yourself if you want to shop with them. Okay, so the first thing I got was this pink top. It's just a one sleeve. So the top is really stretchy. I love the material and it's kind of a rib texture. So I really like that. It's really trendy. Neon is like coming back. Everyone wants to wear neon right now and I really like this. You can pair it with anything, like literally with shorts, jeans, anything. Like you can wear this on a night out or even just anything casual. You can never go wrong. This is like a basic. Next, I got this bodysuit. It's snakeskin bodysuit. It's spaghetti straps. Really cute. I love this. Like, honestly, this is so trendy. Everyone's wearing them. Again, I got stuff that a lot of people would get so that I could show how I like it. The fabric, it's really nice, but the only thing, it's very like thin, so it could be see-through. It just depends on how you wear it. You can also wear it with jeans, a skirt. Like, you can make this really casual or really fancy, so I really like that. The next thing I got was this neon shirt. It's like backless. It's neon. I don't know if the camera's picking up the color, but it's really bright. I love this, and it has this really cute pattern at the bottom. Very cute. I love it. Like I said before, the fabric is really thin, so you might want to wear some nipple pads or something to cover you up if you care about that. So yeah, but I really like it. Very nice color. Goes good for summer. The next thing I got was this tank top. It's this black and white pattern. I really like it. It's so cute. I mean, I would wear this all the time, like literally all the time. I got it in a size small, but it is a little bit big, so I would go a size down for this shirt because, again, it is big. It's also very see-through. The fabric is very thin, so I would wear something underneath it that would cover me up. But yeah, this is so cute. I love it. If you tuck it into some jeans, put some heels on, oof, or like any other pants, like very cute. Another thing I got was this t-shirt, or it's actually a casual like shirt. It's a blouse. I really like it, but the only thing, it's too thin. But also I got it at a really affordable price. So for the price, it's really good. I believe I got this for $5, but I will put the price on screen. For me, I don't like wearing things that are too thin, so that's the only reason why I didn't really like it. But other than that, it's a really cute pattern. I really love it. Shein does a really good job of choosing different patterns and like stuff that a lot of people would like, so I love their website. The last thing I got was this two-piece set. I'll put it on screen what the picture looks like. It's so adorable. I really love it. It's honestly so trendy and such a good price. I believe I got it for $23, but I'll put it on screen. I really love this. You can really pair this with anything and make it super fancy. I love the little like ruffles. That's so cute for me. The skirt is not too short. I can also pull it down a little bit more. But yeah, it's a two-piece set. It comes together and I really like it. And that's it for the little try-on haul from Shein.com. If you guys like this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Do not forget to subscribe and leave down comments if you really like this video and what you want to see next. And thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time.